Hello people, welcome to Assisting All. If you are new to this channel, please take a moment and subscribe to my channel, and if you have already subscribed to my channel, you are the best. So in this video, we'll discuss about the different rounds of Cognizant, preparation strategy of aptitude, and few questions that were asked in the aptitude section of on-campus drive of Cognizant 2021. Okay, so please do watch this video till the end. So we all know that Cognizant is hiring for its Gen Z profile from this off-campus drive 2021. It will have two rounds, online assessment and interview. So in online assessment you will have different sections, and in interview there will be only one interview which will consist of both technical and HR round. You will be asked questions on technical skills and HR questions as well in the same interview. So let us see the online assessment pattern. Okay, so firstly, there would be aptitude section in which you will have 25 questions and 35 minutes. Okay, so you'll have more than 1 minute to solve one question, but time passes really fast when you're solving aptitude in an exam. So keep track of time while you are solving this question. Okay, also you cannot go back and solve the previous question, and or you can go to the next question to solve. It is like you have to solve the question, move ahead, you cannot go back. Okay, so this is how the pattern would be. Next is logical ability. There'd be 24 questions and you have to solve it in 35 minutes. This will be an easy section. You can easily solve 24 questions in 35 minutes. Okay, just don't put a lot of time in one question and waste your time. Okay, if you cannot solve that question, just make a guess and move ahead, because there is no negative marking. You can do that. Okay, next is automata fix, 7 questions in 20 minutes. This can be a difficult task if you don't practice it before the exam, but it will be easy for you, a little easy for you, if you practice some questions, some similar type of questions before sitting for the exam. And if you have your basics of programming clear, you can easily get this done in 20 minutes. Okay, you can easily solve all of the 7 questions in 20 minutes. Next is essay writing. There would be one question and you have to solve that in 30 minutes. Okay. So how to prepare for aptitude? So there is this site IndiaBix where you can find. So this is the site indiabix.com. I'll put the link in the description. There you can find the arithmetic aptitude section. Here all of the topics are covered. Okay, all of the topics: problems on trains, height and distance, average, simplification, chain rule, logarithm, everything is cleared, and every topic is covered very nicely. So all you have to do is start practicing from indiabix.com. If you have still not started preparing for online assessment of Cognizant, start from this. I know many of you face confusion from where to start practicing, from where to start doing aptitude. So this is the site from where you can start practicing, and trust me, you can score full marks in aptitude only if you just solve IndiaBix questions. Okay, now let's see the important topics that are asked in online assessment aptitude section of Cognizant. Firstly, I'd like to tell you all that aptitude asked in online assessment is not that difficult. It is doable. Trust me, it is doable. It is not that difficult, and it just needs a little bit of practice. Okay, and they have not announced the date of online assessment, so you have time to practice. Okay, till now they have not announced the date. You have a lot of time to practice, so you can practice from different sites. IndiaBix is one of the option that I would like to suggest you all, because it has all of the topics. Okay, and it has questions from easy level to difficult level. Okay, you can practice just easy questions because only easy questions will come in the online assessment. So please utilize your time and practice as much as possible, and trust me, you won't face any problem on the exam day. That is my guarantee, that if you practice, that you won't face any single problem on the exam day, and you'll just solve questions very quickly. Another tip would be solve questions using timer. Okay, you have to see how much time are you consuming to solve one question, because they have 24 questions, and only 35 minutes. So you can do the math, how many minutes do you have for one question. Okay, so the important topics are logarithm, permutation combination, probability, ages, time, speed and distance, time and work, numbers and simplification. So these are the important topics that I have observed from the on-campus drive of Cognizant 2021. So please do practice all of these questions and trust me, you will pass the online assessment with flying colors. Okay, so now let's quickly see the questions what were asked, some of the questions that were asked in 2021 drive. So the first question is on logarithm. I told you that logarithm is one of the most important topics for online assessment of Cognizant, because many questions, trust me, many questions were asked from logarithms. It was like more than 3-4 questions from logarithms. If you have your concepts of logarithms clear, you can easily get 4-5 marks from log. Okay, so this was the question that was asked. Now let us quickly see the solution of this question. This is the solution. If you have any problem, you can comment down your problem and I'll try to solve your problem. Okay, so this was the question: log base x square 81 minus 24x is equal to 1, and you had to solve for x. This is a little bit difficult question, but if you have your basics of logarithms clear, you can easily solve this. Okay, next question. So next question was again a log question, a log base root 6 1296, and these were the options that were given. So let us quickly see the solution of this question. So this is the solution. I have solved these questions for you all. These were the questions that were asked in on-campus drive of 2021. Okay. Next question is of divisibility rules. So if ABC 4D is divisible by 4, what cannot be the value of D? See, you have to read the questions very clearly. What cannot be the value of D? Okay. So we all know by divisibility rule of 4 that the last two digits should be divisible by 4. Okay, so this is the solution. We all know if last two digits of a number are divisible by 4 or are 00, then the number is divisible by 4. So here we'll just check the last two digits. So 40 is divisible by 4, 44 is divisible by 4, 48 is also divisible by 4, but 42 is not divisible by 4. So 2 cannot be the value of D. So option D is the answer. Next question, which of the given options is true for the value of 0.999? This is also easy. You just have to take x is equal to 0.99, then multiply 10 to it, then subtract both these equations and you'll get the answer. Okay, so option A, it is equal to 1 is the correct answer. Next question is, Ramesh, Abhijit and Ajay are eligible to be the captain of the cricket team. Syed, John, Sisir and Nitin are eligible for co-captains. How many possible outcomes are there for choosing a captain and co-captain? So this is a permutation combination question, which is also very easy. From the first three members, we have to choose only one captain. So 3C1 for the first one. From the next four, we have to select one. So 4C1, and total combination would be 3C1 into 4C1, which is equal to 12. Okay, so 12 would be the answer to this question. Also, there is another site from where you can practice, that is M for maths. From there you can go to Cognizant, and from Cognizant you can go to arithmetic aptitude and solve as many questions as possible. Okay, please do comment down if you want me to upload more questions of aptitude section or logical section or automata fix. And the next video will be on logical ability preparation strategy. I'll tell you all from where to practice and what to practice, what are the topics that are important for logical ability. I'll tell all of those. Okay, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel and share this video with all of your friends, and thank you for watching.